Welcome to Art Inspired Teacher YouTube account. If you are new here, please take a step of subscribing, like, share and comment the video. Now let's get to business. Today we are going to derive the differential wave equation in physics. Now this is a very important knowledge that you need to have when it comes to tackling a question in wave theory and tidal energy. Now, before you know how to derive the differential wave equation, you need to have in mind the knowledge of the Newton's second law. The Newton's second law, and then too, you need to have in mind the knowledge of the restoring force of a spring, which goes like this. The restoring force of a spring is always given as F is equal to negative kx. It is given the sign negative because it works toward pulling the body or pulling the object towards its equilibrium. Now, then another thing that you need to know is about Newton's second law. F is equals to ma. Now, when you get to know these things, then we shall have to relate them actually. Now, we shall have F is equal to mass times acceleration, then is equal to negative kx. Now, when you get that, you need to relate this mass times acceleration by negative kx. Now, you get to write it like this: ma is equal to negative kx. Now, when you move this negative kx on your left side, then this negative sign will change. It will now be positive. Now, ma plus kx is equal to 0. It will now be equal to 0. Now, you need to write this acceleration in differentiative way. Now, acceleration, it is written like this: a is equals to dx squared divided by dt squared. Now, you need to insert this now as your new acceleration into this mass. Now, mass, it's mass times acceleration dx squared divided by dt squared. Now you add plus kx, now it becomes equal to 0. Now you need to now divide both sides by m so that we can remove m from the left hand side. Now let me write here now the 2 squared divided by dt squared plus kx is equal to 0. Divide both sides by m, then by m. This cancels out, then it becomes d squared x divided by dt squared plus k divided by m, x is equal to 0. Now, it's also true to say that k divided by m is equal to angular frequency squared. Now you write d squared x divided by dt squared plus angular frequency squared times now your x times x. It is equal to 0. Now, when you get there, actually you are done with writing and deriving the differential wave equation. Now this becomes the differential wave equation. Thank you for listening and viewing my video. Please take a step, like, share and comment.